Name's Icicle. I'm the one on the right.
Hi, I am Mint. I'm the one on the left.
Here we go. So, a person is gonna pet me, and it's gonna be me, Icicle.
And a person is gonna pet me, a Mint. I'm
As you
kind
can
of like scared around people. That's
But
why.
I am not.
But I'm a girl, so I'm really aggressive.
I'm a boy, so I'm really cool. I'm really swaggy.
Let's focus
Oh
here.
yes. As you can see, we have boat food,
And our water.
and we had a banana snack, but none of us ate it. Banana steak.
They like banana. Like real parakeets like bananas.
kinda like-
Someone's about to pet. Someone is my favorite person is petting me. Was petting me.
And I'm gonna get pet by one of my favorite ones.
Abigail Rittenhouse. Oh yeah, did I mention my cousins live with my owner's cousins. Our cousins live with our owner's cousins.
And Abigail's cousins with Adriana. We both have the same last name. Oh, look at us. We don't really like each other. We're just protecting ourselves by Adriana.
Adriana is the one that likes to protect us all, mostly.
I protect my... Look. A little parrot can protect a rich person like me.
Look at us being really cute.
Especially me. I'm getting pet.
I'm the cutest one because I am Mint.
Yeah, you better leave.
Look at us. Look so cute. Mint is the one on the right, and Icicle is the one on the left. They switched spots, that's why. We switched spots, that's why. And right. I'm the cutest of them all. I'm Mint. And Icicle and Abby are using the bathroom. Right now, don't tell anyone this, but I'm the cutest bird in the whole entire world.